From very basic rolling stock workshop, which is the base of steam locomotive maintenance, PT INKA was founded into great rolling stock industry. It is located in the center of Madiun, East Java, and was first established in May 18, 1981. Due to the very massive scales of passengers and commodity, PT INKA has been improving itself up to now, and it has conducted the enhancement in both the technology and the applications. The improvement of technology in rolling stock might be the benchmark of the development of a nation. PT INKA is sustainably improving itself into the pioneer of integrated rolling stock and integrated transportations manufacturer in Southeast Asia. PT INKA is located on Yosudarso Street, number 71, Madiun, East Java, with land area 22 hectares, as well as the well-arranged plant layout facilitates the efficient and finest manufacturing process of rolling stock. As one of national strategic industries, PT INKA, from its very first establishment, has been conducting innovation and enhancement of technology of rolling stock and transportations manufacturing. PT INKA has been setting up several international cooperation, which later assists PT INKA to be more well experienced in terms of technology and its human resources. The capacity of its human resources has been continually improved since the very first of its career. Having 30 years of rolling stock manufacturer, PT INKA has been answering the growing demand of safe, comfortable, and qualified means of transportations. Dealing with the growing number of passengers in Indonesia, PT INKA manufactures several passenger coach from economy class up to executive class. The mastery of technology has been the major requirement to generate the innovative product and meet the needs of the customers. During its 30 years long journey, PT INKA has been producing various innovative products. PT INKA's capability has been supported by several rolling stock testing, for instance, wagon and locomotive examination, static test weight balance, ride index test. The development of PT INKA was commenced in 1982, producing freight wagon, first productions of passenger coach in 1985, first assembly of electric multiple unit in 1987, first export freight wagon to Malaysia in 1991, electric multiple unit in 1994, first launching of Argo Bromo passenger coach in 1995, first production and export of locomotive to Philippines cooperated with GE Lokindo in 1996, first launching of Argo Bromo Anggrek passenger coach in 1997, export ballast hopper wagon to Thailand in 1998, first launching of Indonesian electric multiple unit in 2001, export power generating car and bogie river flat wagon to Malaysia in 2002, export container wagon bodies and blizzard central seal to Australia in 2004, export 50 units of broad gauge carriages to Bangladesh in 2006, first launching of diesel multiple unit and rail bus in 2007, first launching of articulated bus in 2008, first launching of VIP car in 2009, first launching of air-conditioned economy passenger coach in 2010, first launching of air-conditioned diesel hydraulic locomotive in 2011, first launching of air-conditioned electric multiple unit in 2011. For short-distance regional and urban transportations, PT INKA has developed diesel multiple unit and rail bus. The products are easy to operate and modern technology design as well as comfortable. To meet the need of growing demand of commuter, PT INKA developed the new generations of electric multiple unit. It is designed to give efficient travel time with lots of stations. Besides, PT INKA also fully supports the after-sales service to facilitate the operations. Recognizing the significance of locomotive in railway transportations, PT INKA has made a breakthrough by manufacturing locomotive diesel hydraulic CC300. Power with 2,200 horsepower engine and hydro-mechanic transmissions, as well as 380 VAZ power generators, which can generate enough electricity for the passenger coach, eliminating the need for the power-generating car. It is facilitated with double cabin and easy to operate as well as friendly maintenance. During several years, PT INKA has developed passenger coach from third class up to first class passenger coach. In terms of city mass transportations, PT INKA introduced new generations of InnoBus articulated bus, which is comfortable and can carry big numbers of passengers. InnoBus has been part of Transjakarta since 2011. The fast growing of economy and industries require the fast transportation system for commodities. PT INKA offers various freight wagons for all kinds and measurements of commodities. Transportations of goods by rolling stock is proved to be more effective and efficient in terms of volume, cost, and time. It is the availability of means of transportation which is not equal with the growing number of people during the last decade has been the main concern. This is the biggest challenge for either government or PT INKA. PT INKA, committed to excellence.